old windows were such that I had to wear a stocking cap to bed at night because the cold air was coming in and got my head cold. So I was either sleep under the covers or wear a stocking cap. We weren't sure we could open them, for one. They were very old, didn't fit well, needed cleaning really bad, and then I was afraid if I started cleaning them, what was going to happen, because the dirt was helping to hold in the dust and the cold. It was classic, yes, it was very classic. The window behind me here was a 5x8 single pane, which I never liked, because to me, if you just one little crack and you got this huge hole in your wall, and I wasn't happy about that. Energy Guard had the best offer for us financially, and so that's why we went with them. It gave us a really good deal on doing all of the main level windows. We got sliders, so this window behind me has a slider on each side, so I can go both ways, and I love it. And it's 3 pieces of window. I was like, yes. And then the one over the kitchen is a slider because I'm short, and by the time I would reach over the sink to try and lift the window, then I had to figure out a way I could shut it again. But I got sliders there, and I just slide it open and slide it shut. I love it. Oh, they were great. They came with a plastic sheet that's sticky on one side, which I didn't know existed, and they just put it up on the inside of the house around all the windows, and nothing came in. I was like, are you kidding? Because in my mind, I just knew there's going to be cleanup. Just give it. I loved it. It was good. We had a good relationship. They were very kind, very professional, right to it, and I was like, wow, you guys are going to town. Oh my goodness, the house is just, it feels good when you walk in. There's no breeze, and until you don't have that little bit of a breeze, you don't know that it's there. But now that it's gone, it's like, oh, this is so nice. I'm looking forward to being able to go to bed this winter and not wear a stocking cap. The crews are great, and you don't have a ton of mess when they're done. And as a woman having to clean, that's a good thing. They look great. We get compliments, and we've told people that, this is who did our windows. We would encourage them to go for it. It's a good thing. It's a good thing.